Hello and welcome to Krishang French Learning. Today we will learn gender and number of French adjectives and their forms. So, friends, let's start. English adjectives have a single form, but French adjectives can have up to 4 forms according to the gender and number of the nouns they are modified. 4 forms of adjective: masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular, feminine plural. In French, the adjective agrees with the noun it qualifies. To change the adjective into feminine form, an E is added to the masculine form. To change the adjective into plural form, an S is added to the singular form. Let's see some examples. Masculine singular. C'est un garçon. It is a boy. Il est petit. It is small. Masculine plural. Ce sont des garçons. They are boys. Ils sont petits. They are small. Third form, feminine singular. C'est une fille. It is a girl. Elle est petite. She is small. Feminine plural. Ce sont des filles. They are girls. Elles sont petites. They are small. So, let us learn few adjectives. Singular. In masculine, grand. In feminine, grand. In masculine, intelligent. In feminine, intelligent. In masculine, jolie. In feminine, jolie. In masculine, laid. In feminine, laid. In masculine, content. In feminine, content. As you see, we added E in the feminine form. Now in plural. Masculine, grand, grand. Intelligent, intelligent. Jolie, jolie. Laid, laid. Content, content. So, that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.